Greetings everyone. In this video, we are discussing step by step in applying for a visa in South Africa. There are various type of visas that you can apply for. You simply go to the VFS website, vfx.global. That is the website of the VFS. Once you go to the website, you then go to step-by-step guide. So the first thing that you do when you're applying for a visa, you identify the visa type. You need to check which visa you qualify for, so that you apply for the correct visa. Once you have done that, you begin your application. You fill in the visa application form and arrange your documents as per checklist. There is a checklist of the documents that are needed when you apply. So you simply check in the visa form, application form, and then you tick the documents that are required. Once that has been done, because you have identified the visa that you want to apply for, you have checked the requirements, the documents that are needed. You have those documents. Once you have everything, you get to stage 3, where you need to pay your fees. Because once you have made your application, you need to pay what is called the visa application fee to secure and schedule your appointment online. You do not carry cash to VFS, but there's an option if you want to swipe at the VFS, but you have to pay your fees. You will have to indicate whether you are going to swipe at the VFS offices or you are depositing in the bank account, which will be provided for you once you want to do payment. Once you have done your payment, stage 4 is then to book an appointment. You choose the application center which is nearer to you, where you want to submit your documents. So you need to book an appointment at a VFS which is nearer you. Once you have booked the appointment, you need to download the application form along with the checklist and the appointment confirmation and take it to VFS. So in other words, you download the application form, you download the checklist. It's a document form, the checklist, which has got all the documents that you have been are needed. You then download the appointment form. This is what you then take to the VFS center. Step number 5, you then visit the visa application center. You attend your scheduled your appointment, because you have already scheduled appointment or you have booked your appointment. You are now going there to submit your documents in person. You do not send your agent. You do not send anyone to submit documents, and you submit your documents in person. So when you get to VFS, the staff at the VFS is going to assist you. So you have submitted your documents. Firstly, you went online, you identified the visa that you want to apply for, you have done the checklist, you have completed the form, you have paid your money, you have scheduled your appointment and submitted your document. Then the step 6, you will now track your application. You will receive an email update when your decision has been returned to the visa application center. So the VFS is a conduit between you and the Department of Home Affairs. They do not make a decision on your application. Theirs is to check whether you submitted the correct document as per the checklist. And then once you submit, you are going then to receive an email update. And once the decision has been made by the Department of Home Affairs, they will return that to the VFS center where you go and collect your decision. So you receive your email, you receive an SMS sent direct to you to your phone, so that you are able to know where your application is. So the step 7, which is the last step, you then go and collect the application at the visa center. Go and collect your application at the visa center. So normally the documents that are required is your original passport, which is the standard original passport of the applicant at the time of submission of the application, because it's stated in your checklist. Your police clearance, if it is required, you submit all that on your submission. So you collect then your visa outcome. So those are the simple steps on how to apply for a visa in South Africa. There are various visas, as we've already said. But if you are struggling, get your agent to apply, assist you to apply. There is IBN Immigration Solutions. They are ready to also assist you there, so that you submit your application. But as we always say, you do not pay an immigration lawyer to go and submit documents on your behalf. An immigration lawyer or your agent will assist you in the application itself, but you in person must submit documents at the Visa Facilitation Center, which is VFS. If you have questions, please write in the comment section. We will assist you. Otherwise, goodbye.